Get it, Lola.
Help me erase your MySpace page. And your band's MySpace page. And your Facebook page. Happy networking, asshole.
Get it, Lola. Get it, Lola. Get it.
Can I get a water? Hey, I was trying to sleep outside.
Now I remember.
This is crazy. What? So crazy.
Where'd she go?
Are you stalking me?
Jesus. She went around you.
Hey, great. Game, or whatever. You know? Yeah, strong lyrics. You just make that stuff up?
It comes from personal experience.
Cool. You want a drink?
Oh, I can't. I have to wake up early. So I have to go, but
Oh, really?
get it. So you can walk me on my scooter. I teach a jogging photo group for people who want to both exercise and practice photography.
Oh, yeah, that's getting very popular now.
It's a park, and we do a loop. It's about 5 miles. 6 a.m.
You get up at 6 a.m. and never. That's early.
Yeah, but it makes for amazing pictures.
That dog's psycho.
Do the jogging photography. What else?
Oh, whatever I want.
Fucking hate you.
I volunteer at a shelter.
She's the most intelligent dog.
Yeah, that's cool. I've done some charity work.
Oh, can you look at my
That's some new
pocketbook
modeling,
file?
FYI.